How to create a new function in Python with def. Imagine you have a task you do repeatedly in your code, like greeting someone or calculating a total. Instead of rewriting the same code every time, you can create a function. Functions are like mini programs inside your main program that you can call whenever you need them. Creating a function in Python is straightforward and makes your code cleaner and easier to manage. To make a new function, you start with the keyword def. This tells Python you are defining a new function. After def, you give your function a name. The name should be descriptive so you remember what it does. For example, if you want a function to say hello, you might name it greet. Next, you add parentheses after the name. Inside these parentheses, you can put parameters, which are like empty boxes waiting to be filled with information later. If your function doesn't need any information, you leave the parentheses empty. After the parentheses, you put a colon. This colon signals the end of the function header. The next step is writing the code that the function will run. This code must be indented, usually with for spaces or a tab. This indentation is very important because Python uses it to know which lines belong to the function. The indented lines are called the function body. For example, if you want a simple function that prints a message, you write def greet, print hello world. To run this function, you just type its name followed by parentheses, greet, and it will display hello world. You can also create functions that take input. For instance, if you want to greet someone by name, you add a parameter inside the parentheses, like this. Def greet user name. Printf hello name. Now, when you call the function, you provide the name as an argument. Greet user, Alice. This will output hello Alice. Parameters are like empty boxes that wait to be filled with actual data when you call the function. You can have as many parameters as you need, separated by commas. Remember, the function body must be indented properly. If not, Python will give you an error. Creating a function with def helps you organize your code into manageable pieces. It allows you to reuse code without rewriting it every time. Defining functions is a core part of Python programming and helps keep your code clean and efficient. So, whenever you have a task that repeats or a specific action you want to perform, think about making it a function using def.